I just had to let you know you're.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video is an educational video about ancient Chinese marriage. Did you know that in ancient China, marriage was not just about love, but about family, tradition, and duty? In this video, we will explore how marriage were arranged and celebrated in ancient Chinese society. In ancient China, marriage was a serious responsibility. Family arranged marriage to continue the family line, strain relationship between family, maintain social order. Romantic love was not the main focus. Instead, its respect and loyalty were more important. Traditional marriage follow a formal process called the three-letter and six etiquette. This state ensured that marriage was respectful, well planned, and approved by both families. On the wedding day, the bride wore a red dress to symbolize happiness and good fortune. She was often carried in a decorated sedan carried to the groom's house. The couple performed important rituals include to bowing heaven and earth, their parents, and each other. These actions show respect, unity, and gratitude. Another important tradition in tea ceremony, the bride and groom serve tea to their elder, a sign of respect and acceptance into the family. In return, elders give blessing and gift to the couple. In ancient Chinese society, men and women had specific rules. Men were responsible for providing for the family. Women manage the home and care for children. Respect and obedience were highly valued. An ancient Chinese marriage tradition reflects strong values of family, respect, and cultural identity even today. Some of these customs are still practiced in modern Chinese weddings.